They say when you see a lot of white on the plate, it has to be fit food. Lots of white on the plate, lots of vegetables, lots of green. That means it's time for fit food fast. We jump into the kitchen, and the original Fitness Chef is back with us. Charlene Procope, hello my dear.
Hi.
I just want to quickly thank you before you get your hands dirty or get my hands dirty, as the case may be.
Yes.
Charlene has her own segments. She's one of the contributors in our cookbook that you're seeing on the bookshelves now in the bookstores. Fitness Chef by Charlene Procope. She was one of the young ladies that came onto the show, and she threw the concept at me and blew my mind. And she has her own segment, her own section in the cookbook. Go on out and get it. Lovely recipes for if you're trying to keep that slim waistline like mine. Yeah? So what are you doing for us today? Another fit recipe.
Hi
Lots of
everyone. Joel, basically today I wanted to explain how easy it is to cook healthy meals. It's super easy because I get a lot of calls saying I can't do chicken breast, I can't do rice, I can't do broccoli, and it's so easy. And today basically I'm just going to be using this grill top. You know, one with the grill side, one with the flat top side. I'm going to do chicken breast, I'm going to do sweet potato fries, I'm going to do my broccoli on it.
Okay.
Obviously,
all on the grill.
All on the grill. First of all, I have my chicken breast. I added some jerk seasoning, which we're going to do, and I added some green seasoning. And this chicken breast takes roughly 15 minutes to cook. Let's say 8 minutes on each side. So I'm going to add my chicken breast to my grill. And Joel, you are going to start the couscous, which is going to be one of the carbs for a dish. Now, everybody know a meal basically is made up of what? What should a healthy meal be made up of?
It's a trick question.
Go back into your, you should go back into your food group, the six food groups.
You want protein.
Yes.
A carbohydrate.
Yes.
And vegetable.
Of course. And now a vegetable don't have to be broccoli alone. A vegetable could be beans.
Right.
Because not everybody likes veggies. So some people would rather go for red beans or lentils. But obviously I like broccoli. So we're going to do what I like.
You're a broccoli girl?
One of my carbs is basically going to be couscous, which is a type of grain.
Right.
Right.
Yeah.
It's small grains,
Right.
and basically all you need to do is add some hot water to it.
Because you don't need to boil this.
No, it's super easy.
So
now, couscous,
no?
you're going to add, first of all, couscous is such a plain carb that all you need to do is add whatever ingredient you like to heighten up the flavor of it.
Okay.
So you know you're going to make healthy cooking nice. You know, you don't have to always go out and eat. So to this couscous, we're going to add nuts, we're going to add pumpkin seed, we're going to add sunflower seed, and we're going to add cranberries.
All mixed in here?
All mixed in here.
And just add this
and just add it to the couscous. Now you can add parsley, you could add basil, you could add rosemary to your couscous. I'm also going to add some chia seeds in it. Right.
Break down what is chia seeds.
Chia seeds is also a type of grain. It's high in protein. It's like a superfood. It has so much vitamins and everything in these little grains. But you have to soak it in some water. You can add it to anything because it's really bland in flavor.
Tell me when to stop.
I love chia seeds, so you can add how much you want.
I love
yeah,
chia seeds.
it tastes great, right? So we add our chia seed, and now we're gonna add our liquid, which is water, and then we're just gonna cover and simmer for at least 5 minutes, and that's it.
So I'm covering it with water.
Yes.
Like this.
Right. Now we're gonna mix it up. That's good.
Yeah.
Right. Now to my flat top, I'm just gonna spray some cooking spray, and I'm gonna add some sweet potato, right? This is regular sweet potato. Of course, you can buy it in the grocery in the pack, or you can take a regular sweet potato, peel it, cut it in thin strips, blanch it, which means to blanch in some hot boiling water, and then strain it. Okay. Right? So I'm just going to add my sweet potato. To my sweet potato fries, I added some pepper flakes because I like something a little spicy.
You like a little spice?
Kickstart the metabolism, right? And then I'm going to add my broccoli. To my broccoli as well, I blanched it. Blanch again. Joel, what did I say blanching is?
String in hot water and out. In hot water and out. Yes?
Right.
Correct? Can I get a spoon, Charlene, to mix this properly? Yes.
No, we're going to use a fork.
A fork you want me to use?
Just use a fork. And
so I just mix this up here. Oh,
right. Now I'm going to add my broccoli to the flat top as well. Mix it up in the coconut oil. Now what I'm doing, I'm not adding any salt, I'm not adding any black pepper because I don't cook with none of those products.
No salt, no black pepper? No
salt, no black pepper. What I use is parsley, basil, rosemary.
Serious?
I use jerk seasoning. I use like only natural herbs and spices. If I want a little salt in it, I use Cajun seasoning. I use cayenne, I use lemon pepper. I don't ever use salt because salt is, you know what I mean, if you're cooking for somebody that has high blood pressure, you don't want to use salt in it. You get your natural flavors. Okay?
So no sauce.
So, right.
That's the Fitness Chef, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah.
All right, now we're going to just flip our chicken.
Right.
Takes roughly 8 minutes on each side.
Smells good, Charlie.
Yes, the Drake seasoning is lovely. Then we're going to flip our sweet potato fries, which takes like 5-10 minutes.
Yeah. Doesn't take long on the grill.
No, it doesn't take long on the grill at all. And our broccoli. So basically what I did here is made my carbs, my protein, and my veggies on one stovetop. Top. We didn't need and then you did the couscous, of course, in a bowl. We didn't need stove, we didn't need oven. But obviously, if you don't have a flat top grill, you can obviously put everything in the oven.
Or on a saute pan.
You can just put this in a baking tray,
right,
and put these in baking trays as well, line it with foil, spray it, and basically that's it.
Yeah, because you're thinking healthy. So
I'm taking no oil, no frying, no frying.
I got that later.
No frying. So, and basically that's it. We got our carbs, we got our protein, and we got our veg.
And that's what you plated here for us?
That's what you plated. 3 different types of carbs. Obviously, I boiled my rice from before. Then we have the broccoli, chicken breast, couscous, sweet potato. And this meal can basically be break down into, you know, you say when you eat healthy, you eat 5-6 times a day. I eat 5-6 times a day. Now you can eat this is one meal, this is another meal, and this, of course, with some protein for a third meal.
Another meal. And you'll literally spend 5-10 minutes in the kitchen.
And obviously portion control. My portion sizes are 1 cup, 8 ounces, and that's it.
That's why you're so fat.
That's why I'm so But basically, that's it.
I really want to try this because as I said, this has limited.
Yeah, this has a lot. Yeah,
a lot
it has
happening,
pumpkin seed, sunflower.
In my mind, I'm not seeing flavor.
No, it has flavor. You get sweetness from the cranberry. You get a little saltiness from the almonds. You get some crunch from the pumpkin seed and sunflower seed. It's very healthy. I actually love it.
It is. It is. It is. Charlene, thank you very much. Fit food. Fast, only with our fitness chef, Charlene Procope. You look out for on Tuesday. She is back here on a cup of Joe, and she did jerk chicken for me with sweet potato,
spicy sweet potato fries, and just regular broccoli and coconut oil.
You mind if I eat the chicken alone today?
No, you have to eat the broccoli first, though.
Charlene, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Of course, check out Charlene, Fit Food Fast, her very own section in our Cup of Joe cookbook, the very first edition out on the bookstores. You can go and check it out. Charlene, we'll see you next week, Tuesday, same time, same place, right here on a Cup of Joe. Time to go and work out, so I'm having protein. I'm going to work out now, so I'm having protein.
Protein, very important, the most important.
We're coming back.